should I?
Where the famous people at?
We right here.
We hawking these famous people down. See what I'm saying? Where the famous people at? That's what's up. No video? I got you. We get off the plane, I say, where the famous people at? We go to the bathroom. 5 minutes later, who we run into?
Ravensymone.
What? See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? You gotta speak what you want to see in life into existence. Oh yeah. Nah, hey, it's finna look like we stopped.
I know, right?
But yeah, though, you see what I'm saying? You gotta speak what you want to see or happen to existence, and it'll manifest itself into your life. You know what I mean? Feel what I'm saying? She get what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned.
Okay, y'all, so we just got to my uncle's house. It's so dark. Hey.
What's up, mama?
Oh my gosh, hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Hello. Everybody just
Wow, y'all, we just got to my uncle's house and it is beautiful. Say what's up, Mom.
Hi.
Wow.
Hi, YouTubers.
She is lit.
Yes.
Wow, this is amazing.
Come in.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at now.
Wow.
Look at mommy.
Granny, that's crazy. This is
Yo.
amazing. Wow, my uncle's house is amazing, you guys.
The next day.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl.
It's your fave.
Jst Dej, and I am back. Actually looking like somebody this time, but I am back. As y'all know, we are in LA, so
Yeah.
I am gonna be vlogging a lot and basically like our whole trip. Right now, we are leaving the hotel. I think we're about to go to the beach.
Yeah, I don't
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Hey.
This way.
Oh.
Yeah, she.
So we're at our hotel, y'all. This is the lobby. Oh, let's go out in the back bay. We about to go in the back in this little cabana for a little bit. But we at our hotel and we is about to go and get ratchet. I got me a Red Bull because I'm trying to drink like right now. And we ain't even ate yet. But it's so nice out here, like, ooh, child. It's beautiful out here. Let's talk about it. There go Bay. Actually, I'm single. It's so beautiful out here, you guys. So, also, I don't know if it's today or tomorrow, but we'll be going to the Nipsey, like, would you call it a memorial? The marathon store?
Yeah.
You know, we'll be going to the marathon store. I'm also gonna go to Pretty Little Thing and I'm going to Fashion Nova, y'all. I am so excited. Like, I cannot wait. I literally cannot wait. I'm trying to get lit, trying to spend some motherfucking money. I'm excited.
And it is so hot out here. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I should have threw on a white tee because this. Like,
No, we matchy.
It's still hot.
We are matchy. So, I don't know if should I say it? I got white pants on. But yeah, y'all, so we is just chilling right now. But we is about to go. I don't know what else to say. What else should I say on the vlog? So, I got my photographer with me right now. He should be taking pictures with this camera or even like on portrait, some shit. I need some really good pictures of myself. But I'm excited, y'all. And you know, my whole family is here. So we just been like turning up. We got drunk and lifted last night. If you know what that means. Y'all know what that means. My grown supporters, y'all know what that means. Also, when I had did like my hauls, y'all already seen these glasses in my haul, but I didn't show y'all where I got this necklace. I actually got it from the Gold Supply. So make sure that you follow at Shop Gold Supply on Instagram and use my promo code. Just kidding, I don't have one, but but maybe this will give me one. For real shit.
Y'all just stay tuned, man. You know we just now getting out the hotel, about to jump in the whip, and we finna start the day. So y'all just stay tuned.
Okay, y'all, so we have finally made it to our destination. We just got to Huntington. We at Huntington Beach, right? We at Huntington Beach, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we at Huntington Beach.
Yeah.
And I'm excited, y'all. We haven't been here, we haven't been to the beach since like this is your last birthday, like last April. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, well, yeah.
Yes, it's like last April. Oh, well, we went to Miami, but I didn't go to the beach because I just love sleeping. So I didn't even get to go. But the scenery though, peep that. Right now, y'all, we are at Huntington Beach. What up, gang? We got Bay, my cousin Noonie. Look, Bobby.
We out here.
Look, Bob.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Man, I love y'all. Let me take over.
Nah, I let you hold this. And my nephew, who always want to hold this camera.
Yo.
It's lit.
Hey, I look good. You know,
it's beautiful.
Like that, you know what I'm saying? I look good. Like, yeah.
It's beautiful out here, y'all. So yes, y'all, after we leave here, I will be I will be back on this vlog. Let's get it.
Look, Bobby.
Hey guys, it's Tracy Barbie. I know y'all remember her. I know y'all remember Shorty ass.
Man, her pregnant, stupid ass.
Yeah, what's up?
She like 13 now. She probably was like 4 when she made them videos.
I swear to God.
Hey, I'm trying to tell. Hold on, flip
We
that
just
camera
got
real quick.
We just got to my uncle's house.
Yeah.
Well, we went to the liquor store. Okay, look, y'all, this is what we did. Went to the beach.
Yeah.
We went to the liquor store.
Yeah.
I had to get some new lashes because the bitches was heavy. I'm sorry, I had to go. I'm gonna try to have a filter a little bit more up on here, but we had to go because I needed some new lashes. Like, y'all, once I get lit, like, they just be so heavy, I'll be ready to rip them off. So I just got some, feel me, some more natural ones, and we good. But anyways, we at my uncle's house, feel me, we in the hills, you know how we do. And we about to take a couple shots before we walk in. If y'all haven't had this peach crown, y'all definitely need to, what? Hop on board, taste that shit. I mean, stuff.
Fire, ain't it?
Ugh.
You know, we out here, 2019 joint. Oh, don't forget about the bourbon. Don't forget about the bourbon when we feeling fancy. You feel me? When we feeling fancy, we'll hop in the bourbon on the and go straight to the, come on now. What you want, shorty? It'd be a total difference when the boyfriend got the camera. Nigga be like, he be flexing, you be giving them information, I be flexing like, yeah, nigga got the 100 bands on the neck though, 1500 on the eyes though. You feel me? Finna go up in the mansion real quick, you know.
A few moments later.
And my other cousin just popped up. Okay, Bree.
Gangsta's potty train.
Period. Period. We out here. Hold up. Make sure to top subscribe to our YouTube channel at Breezy Bree TV.
Hey, Breezy TV.
We out here, we in the building.
That's my
all
CG.
sexy chocolate, green, like making known.
Period.
Amen. Y'all out here, y'all
And this is the balcony, I don't think I got to show y'all yesterday. And I think this is what we have my uncle's celebration tomorrow for his 40th birthday. So happy birthday tomorrow, Uncle KP. They in the kitchen cooking right now. We having a chicken slash fish fry tonight. So they in here preparing that. Okay, y'all, so tonight we having a fish fry, salad, I think fried chicken as well, and some dessert. So everybody in here cooking up. What's up to the two? Hey! You guys in here smelling good? Okay, good. Yes. Yeah, I got the salad bar over here. About to fry some fish. About to fry some fish. Yes, right. Your eyes look a little low, are they? I'm about to go roll up right now. Period. Hi, Miriam. Hi, handsome. You like, Hi. Say hey, you too. What is that? Say what's up. He was looking like,
Days or two.
Hey. We out there wet. You what?
Yeah, you gotta do the grill.
Here. Hey, my aunt's lit, y'all. We got the fish fry going on. Got the spaghetti cooking. Everything is lit. Here go the eating area that we are in. My uncle actually has a jacuzzi out here, y'all. Here's like the back walkway. He has a jacuzzi, nice little area here. And this is where everyone is about to dine and eat. And it is beautiful.
Can I start without you?
She said, can I start without she hungry? All of us is. He also has this beautiful black art here as well. So everybody's just waiting to eat right now. Everybody in line. Yeah, he brought a little.
That long to get some water. No, I was because I was gonna get ruined.
So that affected my question.
You gave him a regular napkin.
Alright, y'all, this was the cake. It's so beautiful. Happy birthday to my mom and to my uncle KP.
Happy B-Day.
Happy B-Day. We out here celebrating. As y'all can see, we still got the food here. Everybody up here chilling. They full and tired.
Everybody full and tired.
Full and tired. Period.
A few moments later.
Everybody shook it.
Latina over here rubbing her eyes. Macca just woke up. Keshonda been ready to go. Amir up. He looking around. I know he ready to go.
We motherfucking tired.
Look like Bree ready to go.
My lashes.
So we just got back to the hotel. As you can see, I'm already ripped off my lashes and everything. We are exhausted and we about to head to sleep and do it all over again tomorrow and on Sunday. So actually, no, tomorrow we're gonna be making like some important ones. So make sure to stay tuned for that. I ain't really got too much more to say. But until tomorrow, y'all. Yes.